Ni in lâu ni lóc stesse. Lipstick ba ngay chu na kinarin pa chu. Kasam hi. Cái là ổn chân có sao cái tỷ số kia. Anh nhìn đều tục mê đi ha. Nhìn hình thì làm giống thì hắn đầu hay xì mê rồi xem rồi thì hắn anh nhìn thấy đàn bé vì mà kiểu cái em lìa cần hay lẽ lúc cái mà tổ cái hàng cái bói về tốt bên này chú vì mà kiểu cái lâu mê cái văn lốm tắc looks cái sẵn fix sang ai không biết mình lâu tốt lắm ui bói thao luôn tụt chứ nghe cái gì luôn đặc biệt khi mà hắn cùng lúc này mình sẽ chạm vào rem squad lâu guys mình sẽ chạm vào chúng tôi không biết chút anh clip xíu nha cái là cái gì là gì nha không thấy đâu cái là gì cái này luôn hi hello ngồi rượu looks thì đàn tụ cần dùng nghe right cần đính xoay mấy đôi năm một nè đính xoay để làm mẹ mi phải tập bộ nên để xa đàn looks là gồm chỉ lúc sẽ then in cái earrings seashells and pearls tay thì han cái chính bùi in chung in lâu sẽ ba cái chú good. What makes you happy? What makes me happy? Animals. I love animals. Animals are so pure. They are so pure. Beyond our understanding. And music also makes me very happy. And kind people, strong people, hardworking people, beautiful people. No, the beauty that comes from the inside that shines through. That is so cliche, but inner beauty is kind of underrated. So just wanted to mention that. Generous people, they are so underrated. I love people who just randomly give gifts, you know. That's so sweet. I used to have dogs growing up, but now I have 3 cats, so I'm both. I love animals, and I love big cats, I love big dogs, I love elephants, I love horses, and recently I have seen so many horses on the streets of Mumbai, and honestly, they are so majestic. They're so beautiful. There is something very magnificent about horses. I love horses. And no doubt, I love cats. They are one of the most beautiful creatures on this planet, the felines, all feline beings. They eat meat. They are carnivore. They eat raw meat. They kill other animals, but they are so elegant, so beautiful. The beauty of a feline, unmatched. Look at their eyes. Look at their body. Have you ever seen a big cat that is not beautiful? No. They are one of the most, if not the number one, beautiful mammal on this entire planet. Yeah, for sure. Hi, Pragati girl. School ka thổ lại mo. Mi hin ti lo mom thei. School ka thổ hun lai chu rai to le to in đâu da sharing à. Anh lâu xài tới cái giờ nhìn chiều mi tấm rộng ra để chơi đâu mà cái sấy đó cái sấy ngay đó school cái thổi lại mà xem school lại cái lâu thổi về lốp tổ à my ethnicity, I am a Mizo girl. What makes you beautiful? I don't know. You know, beauty is very subjective. Some people will find me beautiful, some people wouldn't. So beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, I should say. But we can all agree on whether someone's energy is beautiful or not. Like beauty as an appearance, a physicality aspect of beauty is subjective, but the unseen part of beauty, you know, like sound, like scent, so a smile of a person, and like the voice of someone, like not 100% all the time, but 99% of the time. We can all agree on whether someone has a beautiful voice or not, whether someone has a beautiful way of speaking or not. So I feel like, yeah, as well as the mind. Some people have really, really beautiful minds, like the way they perceive things is just filled with beauty. You know, that's why they make beautiful things, like artists and sculptors. I don't know. People who paint beautiful murals, how do they come up with this stuff? That means they have beautiful imagination, beautiful mind. So beauty it's very subjective. What makes me beautiful? I don't know. Some people say that I have beautiful voice. Some people say I have, beautiful hair. For some people, that might not be true. For some people, my voice could be so annoying. And for some people, my hair is too black and too short and not luscious enough. So, I don't know what makes me beautiful. I guess. Let's put aside what other people think. For me personally, what makes me beautiful is the fact that I keep on going. I have this blind faith approach when it comes to life. Yeah, I have a lot of faith in myself, and I have a lot of faith in love and the people that I love and cherish. I have a lot of faith in humanity. I have faith in things that I do. I believe in things that I do. I believe in myself, and I think that's beautiful. Even if you think that it is not, for me that is the most beautiful thing about me. Hi Nunui, where are you, girl? I'm in Mumbai right now. right now about to have tea. Love tea. Love having tea, sipping tea. Tea is a very important part of my day. It warms me up. It makes me smile. It genuinely makes me happy. Like the taste of tea when it hits my mouth, I enjoy the taste of it, and it just makes me feel like, oh, I'm so happy that I can have this amazing, delicious tea. I'm alive today. I woke up. A lot of people are sick, and I'm healthy, and I'm so happy, because sometimes I'm very negative. I think negatively of life. So sometimes I want to be positive about life, because there are times when I'm like, fuck this shit. This world is not worth the pain and suffering I've gone through. But there are also times like, oh, this tea is so delicious, and I'm so happy that I'm having this tea right now. So it balances itself out, It's just like my eyeliner. I'm using white glitter eyeliner in my inner corners. So it is supposed to give the illusion that I have doe eyes. I'm smiling really big. I'm usually very happy when I come on here. And Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Hope you're having a good time, a good holiday. These are my real eyelashes, okay? And this right here is a scar that I've had since childhood. Like, I had like 17 stitches right here on my face. Yeah, I got it from when I